Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to be teaching you how to record videos on your tablet with no root, and it's completely free. So you click on your app store and you type in AZ Screen Recorder, the first one that pops up right here, and you click on that, you download that, and then once it gets done, if you can open your app, and then if you go like that on your screen, it will have a little camera button. You press that and says, do you want to start recording? And you can press yes, and yeah, you start recording, and then yeah, so that's pretty much all to it. And then you can just go like the pause button, you can press that. See if you have to like pull up an app. Hey, see, I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, and just like that. And then if you want to end the video, you just press stop, and that's all to it, guys. So yeah.